time. Oh. Hello, welcome back to Flowworks Wednesday's Works, where we do a painting every single Wednesday for you at home. This week's video, we're going to be painting an abstract piece. In my head, I know exactly what I want to do, and it's going to be built up on a series of different layers. So I'm going to be sort of painting one session, letting that dry, come back, paint over the top, another session, probably do 3 or 4 sessions to this painting. And as I say, I've got it all in my head, so all that's left for me to do now and for you to do is to sit back, grab a cup of tea, grab a beer, grab whatever you drink and watch this one through. And we'll have a little catch up at the end of this video to see how it's turned out and my thoughts on this piece. And just quickly, if you're into your abstract art, don't forget to give this one a like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Every Wednesday I create a new painting. So let's crack on with this painting and you just enjoy this one. To start with, we're going to keep this one simple. I've got some paint mixed up here, blues into a grey green, probably a little bit similar to this top of this colour. Just got some water, just going to wet the canvas slightly. I'm working in 2 sections here, so I'm going to start with the top and then work my way down.
I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the beat, beat. I gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the beat, beat. I gotta hit the beat. I gotta I got it. It's the end of October. Champagne on the shoulder. This is my exposure. Pop that bottle, it's over. It's the end of October. Champagne on the shoulder. This is my exposure. Pop that all night long, but the feeling keeps kicking in. Beef with all the girls, bullshit dripping off the chin. Pop that all night long, but the feeling keeps kicking in. Beef with all the girls, bullshit dripping off the chin.
That's all I'm trying to achieve at the end of the first session. So we're going to let that dry, we're going to come back and then I'm going to add layers over the top of this. Everything dried overnight. This morning I've come in and I've masked off my design of how I sort of see this coming to life. So it's just a simple case of cutting up some masking tape and positioning it where you want. And we're going to be filling in sort of these coloured areas here to sort of create box shapes. So this will be session 2 of this painting. As I say, I'll probably go into 3 sessions. So we're going to just go in now with the highlights. I'll probably add some white in some areas as well and maybe some darker shades of the blue. So let's get going.
OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. OMW, on my way to you. Good
do. I'm OMW. Watch me walk away, putting myself on display. 1, 2, 3 a day. I'm on my way, on my way. I'ma have you on tiptoes, watching my diamond afterglow. I know you wanna take me home. I'm on my way, on my way. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. On my way, on my way. They wanna judge me, I'll testify. Catch me on Insta, I'm verified. They want me quiet, I amplify. I'm on my way to the best thing that you've ever seen. You know that you bow to the queen. You lose all your senses and reason. I'll give you something to believe in. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. On my way, on my way. On my way, on my way. Yeah, OMW. Nothing left to prove. So enjoy the view, taking a picture like Malibu. I'ma have you on tiptoes, watching my diamond.
That essentially is session 2 finished. We're going to peel off the tape, let that dry, and as I say, come back in on the 3rd session. So I'm going to peel off the tape now, which is really satisfying.
OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW.
That's dried again overnight, so this will be the 3rd session. So I think what I want to do is I want to take away the harsh lines in some areas. I'll still keep some areas to show a line, but I just want to make it a bit more free. But yeah, overall at the minute, happy with the colours. Let's get some paint down and get this one finished.
My heart's been ripped wide open. So many mixed emotions. It's like I finally noticed I've been set free. I've been set free. I spent a lifetime running, fearing what I'd become if I stopped playing goalie on all of my thoughts. Yeah, speaking out straight from my heart, but now I see. But now I see. Oh, I see this love is taking over, breaking through my chest and overflowing. With every single beat, it pulls me closer, closer to you. I'm never gonna hold back being someone to lean on. I'll always be that 2 a.m. phone call when you need one. When everything in life is getting harder to shoulder, I'll be your soldier. My heart's been ripping wide open, 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 wide open. My heart's been ripping wide open, 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 wide open. No words enough to show it. Now my whole world's in motion. I feel like Fred, but in my neighborhood. Yeah. Call me and I will make sure to set you free. To set you free. Oh, I see this love is taking over, breaking through my chest and overflowing. With every single beat, it pulls me closer, closer to you. I'm never gonna hold back being someone to lean on. I'll always be that 2 a.m. phone call when you need one. When everything in life is getting harder to shoulder, I'll be your soldier. see this love is taking over, breaking through my chest and overflowing. With every single beat, it pulls me closer, closer to you. I'm never gonna hold back being someone to lean on. I'll always be that 2 a.m. phone call when you need one, when everything in life is getting harder to show.
I think that is about done. I could carry on. Paint's getting quite thick in places in the middle. It's not really the desired look I was trying to go for. The middle part jumps out too much, but I guess that's what this is all about, is just sort of practicing and getting that abstract look right. And yeah, I don't think this one to me feels quite right. I will still let this one dry and I'll still keep this piece and end up still signing it, because it's important to sign every piece of work even if you don't feel that you like it, because in somebody else's eyes they will probably really like this one. I will leave this one here, I'll let you be the judge, and until then I'll see you next week in next week's Flowworks.
Open, open, wide open.